Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this content isn't available on YouTube. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to refresh the page or the app if you're using the app. Now from here, you're going to just click on this refresh button right here. You're going to click on that and then you're going to try logging out and back in. So from your dashboard, you're going to head over to your profile right here and then you're going to log out your account. You're going to click on switch account or you can also click on sign out. Now, another thing that you can do is you can clear your browser or app cache and cookies. So you're just going to head over here and then you're going to head over to settings or you can just click on delete browsing data for shortcut. Now, another thing that you can do is you can check your internet connection. You can switch networks or devices to see if the issue persists. So just like how you would usually do in your computer, you can just switch your network. Now this video may have been removed or set to private or region blocked. If that's a problem, then there may be no fix on your side. If you're on an app, just make sure that YouTube app is updated and that your account is signed in correctly. Now here's a tip for you. Use official YouTube URL app, avoid third-party clients, and if the content belongs to you, just check YouTube Studio to see if visibility is set to private or copyright. Age restriction issues apply. And that's it. That is how you're going to fix this content isn't available on YouTube. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.